Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. So today we are going to right friends. I'm sorry something is went wrong here. So welcome back to Acquire IAS friends. So you can call me on this following number 9640123412 for any queries or any kind of suggestions for various kind of competitive examinations. And this is the day 17 series friends, right, of MCQs of current affairs, and you can join our Telegram channel, right? So now let us begin friends. So friends, this lecture will meant for MCQs of various kind of current affairs for various kind of competitive examinations, and these MCQs will belongs to the these 16th December, right? So 16th December 2020. Before attempting the questions from this series, from this video, you should read the news of 16th December 2020. If you have not read this, so go through our Telegram channel. There will be the news summary, and from there you can easily attempt the answers, right? So let us begin. The first question of this video is: India is far ahead of China in soft power. Here soft power refers to, so what do you understand by the soft power? Option number A, soft power is the ability to attract and co-opt rather than coerce, contrast hard power. Option number B, soft power includes culture, political values and foreign policies. So choose the correct answer. Option number 1 only A, option number 2 only B, option number 3 both A and B, option number D, option number 4 neither A nor B. So which of the following is the correct answer? So let me know in the comment sections friends. So if you don't know the meaning of the soft power, please Google it and do try to attempt the question, right? So now let me tell you the answer. The answer for this question is option number 3 is the correct, that is both A and B is the correct answer. Next we see second question friends here. Option number A, that is statement number A, consumer price index measures changes in the price level of the weighted average market basket of consumer goods and services purchased by households. Option number B, CPI, that is Consumer Price Index, published monthly by the National Statistical Office, Ministry of Commerce. Choose the correct answer. Option number 1 only A, option number B, option number 2 only B, option number 3 both A and B, option number 4 neither A nor B. So here what you have to read in this, you have to read about the Consumer Price Index first of all, right? Second thing, you have to read about National Statistical Office, right? National Statistical Office. And third thing, the Ministry of Commerce. Third thing is Ministry of Commerce, right friends? So here you need to read about three things. First thing, the Consumer Price Index. Second thing, the National Statistical Office. And third thing, the Ministry of Commerce, right? So now let me tell you the answer is, the answer for this question is only option number A is the correct. Second statement is wrong. Yes, it is wrong because CPI is published monthly. This statement is correct. By National Statistical Office, this statement is also correct. Ministry of Commerce, this statement is wrong. That is, it won't come under Ministry of Commerce, but rather it will come under Ministry of Statistical and Personal Development. Personal Development friends, right? Ministry of Statistical and Personal Development. So you need to read about Ministry of Statistical and Personal Development as well here. So you need to read overall 4 topics from this question, right? So next we see further. Third question of the series is, which of the following comes under the renewable energy? Option number 1 sunlight, option number 2 wind, option number 3 rain, option number 4 tides, option number 5 waves, and option number 6 is geothermal heat. So choose the correct answer. Option number 1 only 1, 3 and 6, option number 2 only 1, 5 and 6, option number 3 only 2, 4 and 5, 6, sorry 2, 4 and 5, and option number 4 all of the above. So which one is the following known as the renewable energy? So the option is 4. Option number 4 is the correct, that is all of the above will come under the renewable energy. Now you need to read about the renewable energy here, right? Renewable energy from this question. So what do you understand by the renewable energy? What is the definition of it? What are the international alliance will tell about, international organizations will tell about the renewable energy, right? And what are the targets which India took for the renewable energy, right? It took about 2030 as well, friends, right? So what are the various other kind of targets towards the India regarding renewable energy, right? So this is one topic you need to read from this question. Next we see further how many states are bordered with Andhra Pradesh. Option number A 2, option number B 3, option number C 5, option number D 6. So here the option number C is the correct, friends. Option number C is the correct, that is total 5 states will be bordered with the Andhra Pradesh. And why this question has been taken, so you need to refer our Telegram channel to read the newspaper analysis of 16th December, right? 16th December 2020. So by that you can easily understand, right? By that you can easily understand. Next we see here the location of the Andhra Pradesh as well. So I hope you can see here, this is the location of the Andhra Pradesh, right? So let me draw it here because some kind of colors you can't see this. Yes. So this is the Andhra Pradesh, friends. So now let me tell you here, Tamil Nadu is the first state. So we will go in clockwise directions, friends, right? So Tamil Nadu is the first state. Second is Karnataka. Third one is Telangana. Fourth one is Chhattisgarh. Fifth one is Odisha. So our number 5 will be the correct answer, right? Next we see here how, if you see from this, you can't see the border of Chhattisgarh with Andhra Pradesh here, but let me zoom it here. So I have took the 2 pics for this purpose. So here it is a Chhattisgarh. You can see the border with here, friends, right? So here there is a small border with the Andhra Pradesh. So this is the border of the Telangana. Let me show you very much clearly, right? So this is the border of Telangana. So from here to here it is a part of the Telangana, and from here to here it is a part of the Andhra Pradesh. So Chhattisgarh will be also the state which is bordering with the Andhra Pradesh. So your option number 5 is the correct answer, and on the eastern side Bay of Bengal will be the border, right, on the coastal regions, right? So next question we will see here, Himgiri launched under Project 17A. Option number B says Himgiri launched under Project 17B. Choose the correct answer, friends. Option number 1 only A, option number 2 only B, option number 3 both A and B, option number 4 neither A nor B. So here option number 1 is the correct, that is only 1 is the correct answer, that is Project 17. So now you need to do your self work, friends. So you should Google it. So read first of all what is meant by Project 17A, and the second topic is read about Himgiri, friends, right? Read about Himgiri. So when it was launched, where it was launched, right? So now let me tell you the brief about the Project 17A, right? It goes to the launching of 2015, right? It is the Navy. It is meant for the Navy, right? And what is this Himgiri? Himgiri is the Navy stealth, friends, right? Navy stealth, and this is the third about it. Overall 7 stealths have been confirmed in it under the Project 17. Under that 3 will be manufactured by the Garden Reach, right? Under Garden Reach shipbuilders, and 4 will be Mazagon Dock Limited, right? Mazagon Dock Limited, and this 3 will be under the Garden Reach Shipbuilders. So overall it will be 7, right friends? So I hope you understood little bit about it, and if you have any doubt regarding this, so you can comment me under description box, friends, right? So I hope you like the video, friends. So please do like, share and follow, comment the video, friends. Turn on your icon bell for getting instant notification, right friends? So that is it for this video. Thank you very much. Have a great day.